Just another day at work, right? All right, man. Hey, dude, you literally do the best out of anybody. Do what you do.
I appreciate that, homie.
Awesome job.
I actually did try the shit out of it.
So you don't worry about that. You get in there.
Yeah, let's want to look at the wishbone.
I got you. We'll get it up in there.
And then it chattered the tires, and I don't know if it just chattered the tires, pissed the car off, and it made a move to the right, and maybe I overcorrected or something. I really don't know. I need to look everything over, but we know we had that wishbone that was bent after the dyno. We'll look at the wishbone and make sure it's not bent again, or is not bent or broke because of what we just did.
Yeah, I got the boys. They're getting plugged out. We'll read the plugs. You know, after our last little motor issue, so make sure everything's good on that. Check the oil pressure, fuel pressure, make sure everything's good.
Yeah.
Other than that, good burnout, felt good. Off the button.
Everything was fine until it wasn't.
And like I said, look at Joel's video. It's like you guys both lost it at the same time.
I was pretty nervous about the left wall.
Much time? Did you ride that left wall for a while?
Yeah, it went. When I finally got it off of it, it came back to this again. I was like, oh no, and I don't know if you heard, but I went and spun the back end around. That's the only thing that took me to the middle.
You know what's so stupid? Is that's just like the first time we ever took this car.
Fucking the same.
God.
Almost exactly the same.
Dude, but you was on the, like we talked about, you was on the chutes early.
That's the only thing that saved me from hitting the wall.
Yeah. Oh yeah, because you were going straight for it, man.
But I walked it after you ran last night. It looked like you let us off.
Yes.
With not even seeing the car, you looked like you was in trouble early.
Yeah.
But obviously you guys won, so
Well, I feel like I won 2 races on that pass.
well, and you know, just like I told the Bird Boys last night, I said, man, I got Ryan. I said, well, you got Ryan in a good spot, you know what? Cruising across the country with him is just crazy, man. That's awesome. He goes, my brother's daughter's kids are here, and she goes, you were here last year, did you live here? I said, I feel like I do.
Oh, Jack still thinks you guys, my mom and Papa live at the racetrack. Yeah. Every racetrack we go to, because you're always there, you always beat us there.
Yep.
So when we pull up, there's Mama and Papa. So he says, Dad, does Mama and Papa still live at the racetrack? He just said this, like, I'm telling you, a week ago. He asked Cherish, we were going to lunch somewhere, and he's out of nowhere. He goes, Mama and Papa still live at the racetrack?
Yeah, that's good.
So, well, Bub, we all kind of live at the racetrack.
Yeah, we kind of do.
But Papa usually does get ahead stuff.
Yeah, it's gonna
When the chickens wake up, Papa wakes up.
Yeah, not this morning though, man. I was last night like put a tax on me.
It's same to me too.
I got up. It smelled electrical.
Do I smell electrical? Over in our car. It's probably your windshield wiper motor over there.
Drag it across the joint.
Smell inside our car, make sure.
Yeah, it's definitely electrical.
What's Trippy doing? What are you doing? Hey, buddy. You driving? Where are you going? Where are you going? I see that.
Trippy, where you going? Where are they in trouble?
Hey, we're number 10 and 11. I'm back there going, I don't think we're going to make it before 10 o'clock.
Yeah. We may be safe.
We might be okay.
Then the rain comes in, I'm like, oh hell.
That's terrible. Okay, we made it through Friday and Saturday.
Yeah.
I don't know how I didn't hit, but I didn't hit.
10 people walked up. Ryan hit the ball. 5 said you did.
Yeah.
5 said you did. Yeah. And it's
The bad thing is I was too close to the right, I was too close to the left. So you could have picked your cheap poison on that.
I don't know many times.
shit here. Don't take it with you to the next racetrack.
I know. We just found out last night about 1 a.m. that when the oil filter got apart, it nicked the fucking brake line. I didn't have any fucking brakes. So we got it. I think we're all good.
Good. Second one.
All I heard was when you came over this way, I heard a whop.
Yeah.
You hit the gas, and I bet that's what proved it.
I was proud of it right there.
It was when it was coming back around because I didn't want it to whip again. So when it came back around, I stuck it and jumped over the middle of the racetrack. That's when I stopped. That was the only reason why it stopped. I think it would have went back to the wall. I don't know what to do. I couldn't believe I didn't hit the wall twice when it did that shit where it was tail whipping at the end. I was like, oh my god, I missed the wall. And okay, I ain't gonna get a third time. You know,
That gas pedal is your friend.
Yeah, but well, that's what
I use that
exactly what happened today. He got off the gas.
yeah. Like that shit where the tires kind of go backwards.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mr. Jeff Lutz. Happy birthday to you.
We need to move it forward and backwards, let me know.
The British won.